Welcome to a toy a day. It's me, Nickel the Pickle, going in for another one of these box cat, because I just like them so much. I just like them so much. Last time I got the helicopter. Let's get the subway this time. A little pink subway. Don't worry, that was just the extra weight. Extra weight. Can't get a hold of it. It's the airplane. Oh, this looks tight. It's that nice matte airplane. The nice matte feeling. Look at the back of it. Looking like a jet. Box cat airplanes, baby. Nice. Vroom. Vroom. How fast do you think this cat would have to run and jump? Ooh, take flight. Well, I guess they got this little booster on the back. Toit. The matte feeling, so good on the fingers. Let's hit it with a black light. You know, not much there. A little bit back here. Pretty much nothing. It's okay, because the toy itself was just spectacular. Not everything needs to show in the black light. Alright, that's gonna do it. Remember, Toy Day keeps sunburns away. We'll see you tomorrow.